Good day everyone. In this video, we will learn about CSS Flexbox by building a simple web page. This page has a navigation bar, some content in the center, and a footer. I have already prepared the necessary HTML code so that we can focus only on CSS. The HTML file will be linked in the description. Now, let's get started. Flexbox provides a more efficient way to align and distribute space among items in a container. The main idea behind the Flex layout is to give the container the ability to change its items' width and height to best fill the available space. For now, this is how our page looks like. Let's start by resetting all margins and paddings. Let's add borders to header, main, and footer so that we make them more visible. Let's define the body of the page as a flex container using the display flex property. Display flex enables a flex context for all the direct children. In our case, the direct children of body are header, main, and footer. Let's change the direction of our flex items to column. We need to hide the horizontal scroll bar and place the footer at the bottom of the page. Flex 1 tells the container main to take as much space as possible. That's why the footer is pushed all the way down to the bottom. Now, let's set a height, a width, and a border to our cards. Let's use Flexbox to position the cards in the center. By default, Flex items will try to fit onto one line. We can change that and allow the items to wrap as needed using Flex Wrap. Align Items Center defines the alignment in the center along the cross axis, and Justify Content Center defines the alignment in the center along the main axis. Let's add spacing between cards using row gap and column gap. Let's move on to the footer and align the text inside of it in the center. Now, let's design the navigation bar. We want to create some spacing between the elements of the navigation bar, so let's change Justify Content Center to Justify Content Space Between. Now, let's design the elements of the navigation bar. let's position the content of the cards in the center. Let's remove the border of main, and we are done. That's it for this video. I hope you have learned something new, and see you in the next one.